Hello, I'm Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learningbuildslife, and today we're going to talk about an Olympiad standard question on physics on the topic of electric current. I'm going to read the sum before we can begin. An electrician used the symbols mentioned at right to draw a diagram of circuit in which 4 lights and a fan are connected such that each operates independently. Which of the following circuit diagram did the electrician draw? First, let us understand the circuit symbols very well. F for fan, G for generator. This symbol represents light bulb, and finally, this symbol represents switch. Now, we need to think of which diagram may be a logical diagram that the electrician may have drawn that can lead us to think that the fan and the 4 light bulbs, they can operate independently. So let us see. First, in diagram A, we first need to think about one thing. The generator in all of these circuits is a source of electricity. Then only can we think about the rest of the circuit. So now that we have talked about that, let's go on to diagram A. In diagram A, we have 2 parallel consoles, each having 2 light bulbs connected in series, and we have the fan. The first problem in this diagram is the fan does not have a switch of its own. First of all, fan, light bulb, and all these kind of appliances have to have a switch of their own so that they can be turned on and off. But here the fan does not have a switch. That's the first illogical thing. Second of all, these light bulbs, their connections may have so many permutations, but I am taking one scenario in which these 2 bulbs, let's say they are disconnected, and in these 2 bulbs, they are connected. Then these 2 bulbs won't glow because these 2 bulbs are disconnected, and then electric current can flow through this. And hence these bulbs cannot operate independently. Now, since we have proved that A is illogical, we can move on to diagram B. In diagram B, we have again these parallel consoles with 2 bulbs each. And these parallel consoles are themselves connected in parallel, so we can prove that they can work independently. But the problem arises with the fan. The fan is connected in series with this parallel console of 2 bulbs. And hence, let's say this is disconnected, and because these are connected in series, hence the fan won't work. If these are disconnected, that means the fan can't work independently. And the fan does not again have a switch of its own. That means diagram B is illogical too. We can move on to diagram C. In diagram C, it's totally perfect because the fan, these 2 parallel consoles are all connected in parallel, and each of them have switches of their own, so they can be operated independently, and hence diagram C is a logical diagram. Hence, we can take this. This is a logical diagram. But don't forget, we have diagram D left. In diagram D, again, we have 2 parallel consoles of 2 bulbs each, and again, the fan. This diagram is almost similar to A, just that these switches are connected. But anyway, it's the same thing. That means, and also here, there isn't a switch again. So diagram D is illogical too. It means diagram C may be the diagram the electrician drew using all these symbols. So I'm giving you a few moments to look at the board so that you can clear your concept. Hope you enjoyed solving this problem with me, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more episodes. Thank you.